YouTube, try stars, chuck in this video. Basically my journey just begun. In this video, I'm on my way to Oklahoma. Did I pronounce it right? Whatever, I'm going to Texas. Leaving from Canada, going to Texas. This is a hell of a trip. No, well, godly trip. Sorry.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube, TriStars chuck in. One more new video. And this trip, well, it's trip to Oklahoma. I'm currently in Montreal at the moment, picking up my load. This trip is, oh man, this is a long trip, you know what I mean? But we're starting from Saturday, hopefully to get there on Monday. Not sure the timing, but I'm gonna try. I already loaded, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm taking. Now this is a plain engine. Yeah, I got plain engine strap down inside. You know what I mean? You know, a jet engine, big money. You know what I mean? You know, if you all know how plain engine look like. And these are some other plain engine, but they're in a box, one of these sealed. I don't know what you call it, but is it in? Hold on. Yeah, it's in one of plain engine is inside this thing here. Really sealed, ready to go. So it's 3 plain engine. Right now my truck is very expensive. You know what I mean? So this is the open box. So this plain engine is maybe one that repaired, you know what I mean, and sending back. And these are some new engine and stuff like that. So it's going to an airport in Texas. So this is my journey, and there are rules how to strap these down or to chain these down, you know what I mean? Well secure. It's very light also, but it's very well secure. It can't move, you know what I mean? You gotta follow rules and procedure. This one is strapped, one strap over under the bottom, because on the top part is really shock. The stand is a shock thing to, I don't know how to explain it, but the stand, like, you know, like where the truck vibrates or jerks or whatever, the trailer, the stand that is on protect all that shock damage or whatever, you know what I mean? So yeah, so this is my journey. I'm gonna start my trip, and today is so beautiful. Look in the sky. I mean, look around. Yeah, my trip just begun. I'm currently doing my pre-trip. Basically, I'm just gonna do a pre-trip. You know, before I leave. Everyone already know how the pre-trip part of it goes. But I just wanna I changed my cap shock. As you can see right there, there are two on it, and let me tell you something. Honestly, changing the cap shock make a big difference. You know what I mean? My cap shock was leaking. You know what I mean? One of them was leaking. You know, but you know, I don't really pay much attention to cap shocks, really, to be honest. I'm telling you the truth. But I changed my cap shock, like I said. So you can see it's 2 brand new, one on this side and one on the other side. I'm telling you to change the ride completely, and my truck stand up firm, looking firm, like it's not like tilt back, you know what I mean? Something you saw the trucks and they're like tilt back, and you're thinking maybe it's a load from the trailer caused the truck to squat like that, but it's really the cap shock making a lot of difference, you know what I mean? Yeah, so basically, yeah, I also changed my slack adjusters, all 6 of them, you know what I mean? Let me go in the bonnet. Okay, inside my engine, I try to keep my engine clean. Yeah, so I don't know if I had told you guys, but I changed my alternator. My alternator went on me. I heard some noise in it. It didn't actually completely went, but I could see the changing of my battery gauge on my truck when my engine is start it's still at 11 something, and you know what I mean, and you could hear noise inside the alternator, so I just get it changed. The slack adjuster, brand new. I changed the front one before I actually changed the back. I changed the back one now, but the front one was changed before. Front one may change maybe 2 weeks before the back one, so I changed, you know, it's 4 brand new slack adjusters, you know what I mean. So like I said, the just a prep of what's going on in the engine. My water level is okay. You know, my fan belt, everything. I already pre-trip. I'm just going through because I wanted to show you guys that I changed my my cap shock and the difference that it caused. You know what I mean? There's the other one on that side. The difference, the cap, changing the cap shock. So you guys, truckers, should really look at your cap shocks to see if it needs changing or if it's leaking or whatever. Make a lot of difference. So there's the other stock adjuster, brand new. If you look closely right there, you can see it. There's the other one there, and you'll have to go under. I don't know. I don't think you can see that one from this side, but yeah, it's 4 of them, brand new. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Actually, didn't check my lights. Let me check my lights. I don't know. Yeah, peeps. TriStar's trucking. You know what I mean? So that's a exclusive of what's going on. I'm using my dirty hand too. Let me turn. Okay, lights on. Put my forward flasher. If you guys can see, but all lights are on. Marker lights are working on the trailer. My forward flasher is on, so as you can see, my turning signal is showing. This is a 53-foot trailer, flatbed. Yeah, so all my lights are working. Yeah. Prep in the back. Okay, that's what's going on. Yeah. So this is it, peeps. TriStar is trucking, and on our journey we're going to Texas. So stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned for the road views and everything. I'm all here. TriStar.
bass. Trap bass.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. It's Troy Stars. I know I should be vlogging every stop I made on this trip, but last night was kind of hectic, you know what I mean? Yesterday, I should say, after I leave Montreal, heading down on the 401, you know, a bit of traffic, and then I stop for fuel, get some fuel in Canada, and after getting the fuel in Canada, I came across the border. Now I'm in Michigan, not too far away from the border that I came across, and I sleep here at the truck stop, you know what I mean? I'm gonna take on my journey, so, you know, let me, yeah, like I said, I'm at the truck stop. What is this? Exit. Yeah, this is the I-94, and I made an exit to come to Barker Walk or Barker Drive. I'm not remember the exit number, but I know it's Barker Drive for sure. I'm over at the Flying J, and over on the other side of the road I got Flying J and got the TA, and that's where I park right now. I just came from outside, did my pre-trip. I ensure that everything is okay, my tires are well, you know, ready in place. Like I said, you know, it's Troy Stars, and this is just a day out, I should say. Today is Sunday. Running over the weekend, like I said, I want to get there to do my delivery on a Monday. That would be great. So I get my load, I get back within Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You know, somewheres Wednesday. You know what I mean? Make my delivery, and then maybe I will head home, or you know, because I got some trips to make, so I wanna put in a lot of work week. Normally I go home weekly, but like I said, it's TriStars, and thanks for tuning in. You know what I mean? Let me show you guys, well, inside, well, it's not a lot of things to see. Yes, peeps. Well, this is the inside the truck stop, you know what I mean? Like I said, it's not a lot of, it's just some trucks park, you know, so I just wanted to show you guys, you know, I'm here at the truck stop, basically, and yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna head around I'm gonna go inside. Yes, YouTube, TriStars. You say, I'm going inside the truck stop to see. Press button. You hear that sound? It lock. Okay. Going inside the go and get the Subway. Get a coffee. Yeah, Alright, this is my remedy. Half a coffee, and then I fill it up with French vanilla. You know, I can't drink coffee, just plain straight coffee. You know what I mean? And trust me, Flying J coffee is sweet. Why is it like this? So no, the French vanilla wasn't. The French vanilla wasn't looking like it ready. Oh, 2 of them there. Oh, let me try the other one. Alright, yeah, this one look better. That's how French vanilla should look. Alright. Then I put some 35 on 11, I got a card. I gave it to you. Right? Yeah. That's it. Little cover.
Michigan, you know, and it's the only time they do destruction is when Ohio State comes into town. You know?
Yeah. Purple Lake shorts, squeeze 2 times.
Sorry. Let me see if I can get some sweets. This is my type of thing right here. Thanks. I wanted something over that side.
Like Subway?
Yeah.
Well, give me a minute. I'll be right over. He just went on lunch break. I'll be right there.
Okay. Oh, you want the cash?
Yeah, I might get this, I guess.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.